Getting a note from the Jazzit financial statements in another caseware file. You have the option to copy a note from the financial statements of one caseware file to the financial statements in another caseware file. This is a great time saver for preparers who would normally have to create the note based on the default notes available in the Resource Center. In order to replace a note or policy, it must have a matching note or policy ID. We'll quickly look at the steps involved with using this feature. Locating the note ID of the note you wish to copy into your file, accessing the feature using the right-click menu options available in the note, sourcing the caseware file to copy the note from, selecting the financial statement file, comparing the new note to the old note, and executing the copy. Here we have a bank indebtedness note in client file B, but we would like to use the bank indebtedness note in another file, client file A. Here we have a bank indebtedness note in client file A that we would like to use in client file B. In order to copy this note from file A to file B, we first need to determine exactly which bank indebtedness note is used in file A. We can do that by right-clicking on this button to the right of the note heading. The note ID is then displayed, along with all the other right-click menu options for the note. Here the note ID is Bank Indebtedness Default. Now that we have the note ID of the note used in client file A, we can check whether the note we currently have in client file B is the same. Right-click on the button in this note, and here we see the note ID is the same. If it was not, we would have to delete the note and reinsert the note with the same note ID. Since the note ID is the same, we can then select the menu option, Get this note from another file. Locate the source file, in this case client file A, and click Open. Then select the financial statement template and click Open. This opens the comparison window, allowing you to compare the note being replaced at the top with the note being copied in at the bottom. When satisfied that this is what you require, click Replace. And then No. And there you have it. You've successfully copied in a note from the Jazzit financial statements in another caseware file. Let's quickly recap what we just learned. How to find the note ID of the note to be copied in, where to locate the menu option available for copying notes, sourcing the caseware file containing the note required, selecting the financial statement template in the file, comparing the old and new notes, and completing the copy process. Caseware should be easy. Visit us at www.jazzit.com to find out how.